Oh, lights off. The pace is set. Charles Curley on the pole. 20 laps around, ladies and gentlemen. It's main event time here at Tulsa, and we're green. Chris Nunn leads them going into 1 and 2 on the outside. Nunn, and around goes Charles Curley in turn 2. Bumper flying off. Also getting crossed up is the number 14, the Tommy Lawley. Lawley falling back quite a bit. Lap number 1 going to the 87 of Chris Nunn. Nunn leading him down the back straightaway. Chris Nunn leading the field. So far, so good for race leader Chris Nunn. Chris Hewitt second. Battle for second, Todd Truitt and Chris Hewitt. Truitt on the outside, Hewitt slides it to him down on the inside. And now right behind them, the 22, Kevin Washington gets around Toby Cooper. Cooper coming to a slow halt in turn number 4 on the top side. Yellow coming out for Toby Cooper. We'll go green out of 4 at the pace being set of the 87 Chris Nunn. 18 laps to go. Here we go. Bumper to bumper. Banging them up at the start. Factory stock fever and Double D, Dwayne Davis held up the outside line. Bailey Van getting squirmed. Looks like Double D coming to a slow stop down the back straightaway. Yellow coming out for Double D. Ricky Bledsaw, Aaron Kuehn. Starting the fender fighting with a little bumper biping. And we're back underway, 2 complete. Chris Nunn leads the field into 1 and 2. Chris Hewitt looking to go outside for second. Todd Truitt denying it. For you, Donnie Wright getting his side set. And the 15V of Bailey Van, bottom side of 3 and 4 out. We'll try it for the 3rd time of a restart on lap number 2. And out of turn number 4, we are green. Chris Nunn will try it yet again. Chris Nunn leading down the back straightaway. Donnie Wright looking to go to the inside of Kevin Wasserman for the 5th spot. Wright got around. Now Ricky Bledsaw right there in pursuit of Wasserman. Wasserman just midline. Bledsaw right on the inside. He got 2 sideways in 1 and 2, so he fell back momentarily. Going to try to close the gap between him and Wasserman. Looking to go inside. Here we go for the 5th spot, side by side. Ricky Bledsaw in the white 20 RB. Kevin Wasserman in the black 22. And Bledsaw got really in trouble. Ronnie Drake to the inside of Bledsaw. Here come the Kuehn duo. Tommy Lawley getting around Aaron Kuehn. Tommy Lawley making a run on the outside. Looking to go outside Jim Kuehn. And Tommy Lawley got it. Tommy now looking to go outside, the only one. Making the high side work. 3 wide, momentarily out of 2. Tommy Lawley checks it out from Ricky Bledsaw. Bledsaw got him. Nervous. Ronnie Drake right there. Tommy Lawley going to try it. Let's see what they do. Whoa, they get side by side. 3 wide, momentarily going into turn 1. Ronnie Drake slides it on the nose of Bledsaw. Bledsaw crosses him back underneath. 3 wide. They split apart. They get away from Ronnie Drake. Lawley up top. Bledsaw back on the bottom. They're still side by side. Here comes Jim Kuehn. And Tommy Lawley slaps the concrete barrier wall. It slows him up. Looks like might be some right side damage as he goes off the racetrack. Tough luck for Tommy Lawley as that was getting very entertaining between him and Ricky Bledsaw. Now Ricky Bledsaw going to try to get around Kevin Washman. He got 2 sideways. Now Ronnie Drake looking to go to the inside of Aaron Kuehn. He's going to try to split his way in between him and the Kuehn duo. Aaron Kuehn up front. Ronnie Drake, Jim Kuehn Aaron Keene got away from Ronnie Drake down the back straightaway. Everybody now getting spread apart. And trouble for the 15V Bailey Van. That's twice for Bailey Van. Chris Nunn led every lap thus far. Who's got some money on anybody else? And we're backing away, 11 laps to go. Nunn leading him down the front straightaway. Todd Truitt on the outside, and Aaron Keene really up top, out of 2. Here comes Donnie Wright for third, side by side. Chris Hewitt on the bottom, Donnie Wright up top. Wright slides his way on the outside. By a nose has Chris Hewitt for third. Ricky Bledsoe and Kevin Wasserman also side by side for the fifth spot. And oh, Aaron Keene turned it 2 sideways and collected Ricky Bledsoe. Bledsoe dropping like a rock, victim of circumstance. Absolutely upsetting that car, the 20 RB Ricky Bledsoe. Now here we go for the race lead. Donnie Wright and Chris Nunn out of 2 down the back straightaway. Nunn right there. And Donnie Wright to the inside for the race lead out of turn number 4, side by side, and lights the Starship, and turn 4 trouble. The Keene duo locks each other around. 22 Kevin Wasserman rejoins the tail of the field from coming back from the work area. Lights go out, 8 laps remain. Donnie Wright leads them. Here we go. Chris Hewitt going to try to make a run on the outside. For a second, Hewitt gets around Nunn, and oh, the J4 Jim Kuehn holds up the field down the back chute. Chris Hewitt also got around Nunn for second down the front straightaway, side by side, going into 1 and 2. Hewitt up top, Nunn on the bottom. Still side by side, out of 2, drag racing. For the second spot, going into 3 and 4, Donnie Wright gonna have some company here for the lead as they're dueling hard right behind for second. Hewitt going top side, Nunn on the bottom. Nunn with a good run down the back straightaway. Nunn trying to take the line away from Hewitt. Running 3 and 4. Nunn still nice and glued on the bottom. Chris Nunn now with the car links between him and Hewitt. Now Chris Nunn gets around Hewitt cleanly, takes the line, drives the line of Chris Hewitt down the back straightaway. Coming up to 5 laps remaining, 5 to go for race leader Ronnie Drake. Donnie Wright, here comes Hewitt looking to go inside, cross up underneath. Nunn for second once again, side by side. As we got a pair of cars in turns 1 and then turn 2 coming to a slow halt. Charles Curley off the racetrack. The 24 of Aaron Keene on the back stretch coming to a slow pace. Goes to the inside, and oh, he's got a car who was in for the race. And, oh, darn the luck. Tough luck. That is bittersweet right there. But we stay green, and he's going to rejoin the tail of the field, but he's a lap down. But, hey, we're here to have fun. It's factory stocks. Donnie Wright, white flag, one more trip around the Tulsa Speedway. Chris Nunn and Chris Hewitt. Donnie Wright down the back straightaway for the final time. Into turn 3 and out of turn number 4. It's done. Donnie Wright wins the factory stocks, followed by Chris Nunn, Chris Hewitt. 5th will go to Ricky Bledsoe. Ronnie Drake, oh, out of turn 4. Ronnie Drake got plowed by the number 89, just a victim of circumstance. Man, what a hit. Right on the tail end side of that one.